Wow, I'm so excited with today's topic because my colleague, her phone is getting fixed. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, how we make the phone fixed. Okay, we're in Shenzhen, China. It's very near to Hong Kong, just 1 hour by fast train from Hong Kong to Shenzhen. There's almost 25 million people living in Shenzhen, in this city. Almost a week ago, my colleague's phone's getting broken and her model is iPhone 6 Plus. I think the problem is screen of the phone. So she's trying to search on the internet how to fix the phones by herself. But she found a lot of solutions, but she said she can't because there are some, technical jobs. She's very excited because she found some applications we call it O2O service. So she found a few of them and I tried to contact them. Finally, she decided to use the SF. Phone show in Chinese we call phone show. So phone show is very popular. So it's under the SF Express, Stream Phone Express. They found IPO, I think, just 2 years ago. So SF is #1 express shipping company in China. So they make the faster shipping like next day delivery or same day deliveries. She just placed the order online and the fixing guy coming around in half hour. Oh, the guy is amazing. So the guy bring the backpack, everything in backpack. The fixing guy is very professional. He just spent 90 minutes and fixed the phones. As you know, he just used the screwdriver, take all of the parts, the screws out, and just replace the new screen and put all screws back. Oh, he did. The phone works. My colleague checked everything, every functionality, so it works fantastic. So the fixing guy just make the beer on the online, and my colleague pay with WeChat, and it's only 149 yuan, Chinese yuan. 149 is about 149. It's about $23, 23 US dollars. With $23, you fix your iPhone 6 Plus. I think it's worth to do that, right? And those guys also, they fix Xiaomi, Huawei, iPhone, Samsung, and Oppo, and all kinds of branding phones. Just place the order online, the guy coming around in half hour and fix your phone in 20 minutes, and just pay with WeChat. Very simple and easy life. Finally, we get our phone work, right? That's very important things. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys love this video and share with your friends and family. See you guys in next video. What are you guys interested in? Please leave in comments below. I'm gonna do in next video.